Can't wear all those colorful colors in Brooklyn now, B. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the KD12 EYBL. Now, this shoe is part of the EYBL collection, which is Nike's yearly collection for the Elite Youth Basketball League. This time around, it was just two pairs of KD12s, this pair and the Nike Nationals pair. Previously, Nike Basketball has done many silhouettes with the EYBL based colorway. It's a random colorway and it's usually super loud because it's supposed to be a youth colorway. Last year, the KD11 actually debuted in the EYBL colorway before releasing in the regular colorways, and they're always this special edition colorway, and Nike treats it with high priority. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is a brown KD12 box with the dotted Nike swoosh and the KD logo in the lower left panel. Then you've got Kevin Wayne Durant, as well as 12th edition 2019-2020. And you've got Nike Basketball in the back, and the colorway is teal tint, red orbit, and photo blue. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly mesh and synthetic upper with a variety of different patterns and print all over the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the panel from the outsole, it's in teal, as well as the synthetic mesh type design. And it also has this kind of like graph styling. And you also have this gray synthetic panel under the mesh as well. Moving towards the tongue, you've got this yellow tongue along with the tongue tag, and I hate this tongue tag because it's super flimsy. It's like that cellophane paper, kind of like parchment paper, and it feels super cheap. I'm not a big fan of this, but on it you've got the KD logo as well as 35. It's super tiny, but it's right there. And then you've also got the teal laces as well. The insole is green with the words Kevin Wayne Durant 12th edition in yellow. I don't know if it's picking it up or not, but it's there, I promise you. Moving towards the heel, you've got the Nike swoosh under the synthetic mesh, and the Nike swoosh is this kind of like 3D print. You've also got a polka dot design by the heel counter, and this kind of floral print by the ankle, and more of the graph design for the rest of the upper. Also, you've got the EYBL logo right by the heel. Moving towards the heel, you've got the polka dot pattern in red and white, along with another one of these flimsy designs for the back tab, this like parchment paper, and that says Kevin Wayne Durant on it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but again, it says it. I promise you it does. And you also got more of the floral print around the ankle. The medial is identical to the lateral, except for the smaller Nike swoosh. On the medial side, you have this little metering dot, little graph piece that says quad axial flywire, and that's under the synthetic mesh. There is some flywire. It's super hard to see, and it's basically the yellow lines. That's where the flywire is. But outside of that, you have the same graphic for most of the upper, except for the ankle, which is the floral print, and around the heel, which is the polka dot pattern. The shoe features a white midsole with the red speckles. On the medial side, you've got this panel wrapping from the toe box around, and it covers the midsole. And you've got the peach outsole because the EYBL tournament takes place in Georgia, along with Kevin Durant's signature and the Nike swoosh. I think it's a solid colorway for an EYBL colorway. It's definitely right in tune with the Kobe's, the KD's, plenty of shoes in previous years, the LeBrons. So this is right on board with that. It does, I want to like this shoe. I promise you I want to like this colorway. I think I like the Nike Nationals one a little bit more. It's a little bit different. I think it's basically that polka dot pattern that kind of throws me off, and the cellophane parchment paper. Not a big fan of that, because I feel like if you pull especially the pull tab, like the tongue tag, you pull that up enough times, that's gonna tear within 5-6 wears. So, you know, it's not very durable, and it wasn't a great idea on Nike's part. But, you know, the shoe was already out, so it's too late, but parchment paper was not a great idea. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Nike KD12 eyeball is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $150. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out the Solepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.